It is Monday, and I still haven't uploaded the vlog from last week. I need to
post mine today. So
I don't think it's gonna be. I still have to edit mine. I don't feel like it's gonna be very good. But we discovered that one of the cats brought us a gift, a dead bird. Have you seen it? Is it guts all over?
I was the first one to see it.
Are the guts really all over?
There's feathers everywhere.
So now I have to go shovel the dead bird up. Bailey's gonna vlog this happening.
Oh, I am?
Yes.
Guys, here's our gift.
Oh.
That we must sweep up and mix off.
Oh my god.
The cats really do powerfully hard. Like, they feel like...
What word are you trying to say?
Oh.
Oh my, how do I get it on? We may have to hose that.
Do you hear that darn bird up there?
How do I get this bird up here? I don't want to squish him.
There's a neighbor that we have that has a parrot, and that is what that...
Bailey,
He's
hold
already
this.
dead. He's already dead, so if you squish it, it's fine.
I know, but I don't want it.
Oh, God. Oh, my gosh.
Is
Did
it up
you
to him?
seriously just see that, guys? I can't believe Mom just did that. So we're going to throw him in the ditch. Shall I follow you?
Look, I want you to pause and I want you to... Well, don't sue us, but look at Ava. Lord have mercy. We are going to Garrison Rock to hike. Aren't these flowers pretty, y'all? Gonna jump?
Should I jump?
Not from there. Come down here if you're gonna jump. No, you don't have to. Hey, everybody get up there and I'll take your picture. Our part's getting down.
Yeah.
That's true.
You probably don't want to come out in the evening and see what characters are.
Isn't that the truth?
It's a bush by our house that has thorns on it.
16?
Did you get it in your head?
18.
Now this vine going up, isn't that poison oak?
What?
Isn't that poison oak and it
Yes.
kills the tree?
Yeah. Died February 18th.
Could have.
Mom, people said
Oh, it's infant son. Infant son.
of
Knocked over and fell over
Oh.
and we're like,
and if you am going on the trail.
The only way to get to it is to climb up this rock like a ladder. Guys, it is Tuesday. Our first time checking in. We are at a barrel race thing. We've never done it before. We're super pumped.
Hey, Larry, put that back up. We're gonna have one more exhibition.
Hello! It is Thursday. I don't think I vlogged it all yesterday. What did we do yesterday?
I don't know. That's a different.
I don't think we did anything, did we?
Mom, I see your hand in the phone.
Finn is spying on the Hoskins who are behind us. We are on our way to Altoona. We're going to Adventureland with the Hoskins.
I saw them.
And we are meeting the 3Ds there. Let's see. This morning something big happened. I ran 3.25 miles without stopping, y'all. I've never done that in my entire life.
I can't see it.
Big deal. And it was outside.
Whoa, Mommy's.
What else is going on? Last night we had a big storm, I guess. We slept through it. And you know how we have that gray thing over our front door that's kind of busting? The side completely blew off. So I'll put some footage of it here. Now, that's only if it didn't fall while we were at Adventureland. So tomorrow, I'm going to have to work on getting that thing down. So, of course, so far this week, there's been a dead bird and a busted house.
What?
But today, we're going to eat lunch at Adventureland again.
I'm hungry.
And we're going to have a good day. Good day, y'all.
small. Put your sunglasses on. That'll think you are way younger than what you are.
Well, now there's kids.
He wouldn't ride the active space shuttle, would he?
I'd have to force him.
Really? Now you think if you forced him one time, be likely to ride again?
I don't know, even if he did like. Oh yeah, because he wanted to do that so much extra stuff. Yeah. Right?
So Livia's just doing one this year, and then Kenzie's gonna do hers. I kind of like tried to talk Livia into doing something else on the one of those tests, but he told me.
It sounds like the new gym teacher's awesome. Hey, you guys, smile!
Who is the new gym teacher?
Kenzie, look over here!
Kenzie!
I'm taking 10 minutes. Oh, that's awesome.
That's crazy.
Get up! Hurry! Hurry!
But I guess he isn't happiness. Right?
She's good at swirling. She's good at swirling, Mom.
Man, she does not mess around with those.
Thank you. Look at this. Had that and
Oh my gosh, babe.
get over here now. Huge. Are you gonna eat them?
Guys, we just got home and Meow was in all by herself because Perfect was outside. And look at all the babies she brought out.
There's one over here. Plus your tennis shoes. She missed you.
No, my tennis shoes were there.
Oh, well, she grabbed that one.
Meow. Meow. Did you bring all these babies out? Because you were so lonely.
We're all tired.
That is hysterical, isn't it? So you know how this thing has been holding on by a thread? Well, we had a storm the other night and it blew off that side part, which has been holding it up. So I'm going to attempt to get that down today without killing myself or breaking our windows. I know you're watching this after the fact, but I'm praying. I'm praying it works.
From there down, Bailey, how do you feel?
Pretty awesome.
This is it. That looks so weird.
Show the house. Is the
There's
house?
the house.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like it better? It's pretty crazy.
It looks totally weird.
I know. Like when you look up, it's
Ava, now you should really be blood pouring around.
I don't like, no, Josie.
No! The kids are gonna try some salad.
we found a cat, but it wasn't Thomas. I don't want to.
No, I
want
can't
water
see
on my
it.
hand. I want water.
This is our water right here.
It's empty. Really, Mom?
Go.
How do I get
No,
water?
Hey.
just do it.
Get in here.
Ava, get in
Ava.
here! Dad, where's Sully?
Right up there.
It's not bad.
He wasn't there.
You put the whole thing in your mouth. It's good. Bailey, what did you think of it?
I like it. Yes. You like pickles?
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Graham cracker. No, you had the. Sorry, it's so bright.
I got a blood blister.
Show
I'm
us.
making a huge one.
Show us the blood blister.
I wrapped it in.
Mama.
Look it inside.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
Oh my lord. Where's your marshmallow?
Ava.
Hey, now don't drop this on the ground. No marshmallows.
I think those are the ones from the ground. You guys got the smoke.
So it is Saturday and we are out getting ready to run some errands. We camped with the Benedicts last night. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
It was really fun. It was really fun. It was the first time we slept in a tent. It was a good time. Totally got some mail today.
From Daddy Doo.
Jacob sent us stuff. Oh my.
The camel.
What? Oh yes, he said he's gonna send some postcards for you sissies.
Yay.
There's one of each kind for you.
Ooh, what's this?
It probably says on the back, doesn't it? Another keychain for you. All of
Is he
that?
sure?
I feel like he already sent one of these.
He said he was gonna send another one
For him.
for you.
So I have two?
I don't think so.
These shirts I bet are for Dad.
Dad.
Oreo ice cream tape.
And would you use a box? You can look past all the squish bugs on my windshield. The sunset is amazing. Are we ever gonna get to see it, Bailey? Buildings are constantly in the way. Darn tootin' buildings anyway.
On the camera it looks pink, but in the real life it looks blue.
Come on. Oh, I want you guys to see it. Oh, show it out. Slightly. All the squish bugs
Very
are
bright.
really. Guys, we are at movie in the park. Hi, Finn.
Hi.
We're not staying very long, are we, Finn? No. We're not gonna stay very long. We're tired. It is Sunday. We are headed to Churchy Wurchy, and everybody is super tired. Look, nobody's
March or
awake.
September.
It's supposed to get to 100 degrees today, so we are planning on a pool day and a chillaxing day. It is Monday. We have a carload. Everyone feels like they're gonna throw up because they're so nervous.
I have butterflies.
We're at cross country camp. I'm not going, but all these guys are doing it.
We're
They're
doing it
all
together.
so nervous.
Yeah, us four
We're
are
gonna
doing
stay
the little kid
together.
version and Bailey's doing the
Well,
big kid version.
you stick with Bailey if you need Bailey too. I'm so proud of each and every one of them.
100% confident everybody here will eventually leave after these 3 days with a prize. You might not get the very first pick. All right, but don't take off as soon as we do this. After we do this, we're going to get a big picture, and then we'll go do our drawing. Put hands in. We're going to say dogs on 3. 1, 2, 3, dogs! Good job.
It is Tuesday, and we have day 2 of running at camp.
Much worse than in the car.
The kids are sore. Bailey, are you sore?
Because he runs in the
Kenzie, are you
summer.
sore?
We don't know.
You're not sore? Olivia, are you sore?
Sorry,
Are you ready? Today, if they run the loop, they're going to go farther today. They're going to do it. They're going to push
I'm doing
yourself.
a mile and a half.
If you do the loop. You may not do the loop. So, and it's rainy, and it's a lot cooler today. So we shall see how they do. How was it, Ben?
Horrible.
She can't move. Her legs are so incredibly sore. She can't handle it. Are you sore?
Not too bad.
A little slightly, maybe. Are you putting your sweaty swamp butt on the new couch? Ava's in the shower. We'll have to check on. It is Wednesday. Finn is in a flippin' coat.
I forgot.
It is the last day of the kids' mini cross country meet.
And we're having an ice cream sundae bar.
They're having an ice cream sundae party. And
I'm hot.
then we're going, go take your coat and hang it up. Go. And then we're going to Adventureland today. And for supper tonight,
Texas Roadhouse.
Yes, Texas Roadhouse. Bailey ran 2 miles this morning, and he's going to cross country camp. What's that for? New trash can? All right, so here we go.